Hello, my name is Anthony Cameron, and I'm going to talk about one of the tools that we use with Partner with Anthony. As you can see, I'm in ClickFunnel. Um, I could show you how we can start build a funnel from scratch, but I already have the funnel up. But this is how you go about building it. So if you come here and click on Building Funnel, you take it to this blank page where I could show you how to. If we want, you could start. I'm going to start to build this funnel from scratch. I'm going to delete everything. And as you become a member of Partner with Anthony and go through the training, you will get to understand how to use this editor and start to build your business. This is one of the main tools that you need to use in your business. So I could just delete this completely. So if I delete this, delete this. Okay, so if I had a row, so I had an option of having a single column, double column, triple column, 4 columns, 5 columns, 6 columns. But I'm just hiding one column for right now. So I had one column, right? And in that column, I'm gonna add a element. And as you can see, I'm gonna add a headline. And I'm gonna name this headline. So as you can see, I'm gonna make this bold. Make that. So I make that bold, and I make these just regular text. Okay. And if I go inside my elements and click on settings, I can move this up and down. See that? I could change the font. So you have different style of fonts. If you want to go to look at that. So you have plenty of option of different fonts you can use, okay? Okay. I could change the size of the text. See that? And this is mobile, okay? I'll show you mobile in a minute. I could change the color. So text color. All right. Black. And if you see bold color, I could change that to, let's look at, say, gold. See? And the background. I'll get back to the background color, but let's go back. I could talk to that after. But you have plenty of options and plenty of stuff you can do with this. Okay, if you go to advanced, right, and the height, and you could play around with all of these things to get an understanding of how to use them. Okay, I could go back here and add another element. All right, I could add a subheadline. So the same thing again. I could make this bold, right? I could go back in here and go back to my settings again. And I could make these color blue, right? Make my that can make that red, right? And so forth. Now, and I could go here, and I'll give you another after we get my car here. And you can keep on adding, building stuff all the way down as much things as you want to have it. I could come back here to my column. Uh, it's a little tricky sometimes. I could add another column. I could add 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay. And I could come here and add this element. I could add my input. Well, could go here. Could say it's an input set, so I'd come here and I say add email. Then I could say enter. So enter your email ID or whatever you want to put there. And here we go again with size. I don't know what's not working right now, but use that to change the size and so forth. See, now it moves. Okay, so you see, you have options. I don't know what was going on with that before. Okay. Then I could come back here, and as you can see, it just said email. So you know that was done properly. So I could come back here, add another element, which is a button. I could add a button. All right, click inside here. And when you do your button, you got to click on set action for it to work properly. And then you got to put an email address. For example, I might go www. So when you click on that button, when you click on this button, that's where it's going to take you to marketingwithanthony.com. And then you can go here and advance, and you have different, you can change it to full width. And you can go ahead and play with all of these things. You can customize it. But if you go to theme, you have all these different options you can do. Okay. And then if we come back over here and we have another element, can add a image. Right. So if you want to put a book or your photo or anything, I'll give an example. So I come here and I had an image. I come here, click right here. I could hide this image. Okay. Then I could go back here and add another element. Add another row, single row, single column, sorry. Then I had an element. I could add a time clock. Back here, go settings. Settings, and let me move this out the way a little bit. It's kind of in my way. Um, Now here, again, you could change this to 0. You could put, and you could change this to 5 seconds. And if you want to redirect it to another web pages, you're gonna put our website. You're gonna put it right there. Theme, advanced, and like I said, make it large or small. I'll make it small. Theme. So you got all these themes to play with. Those themes to play with. So it's up to you what you want to use. And if you scroll down the page, you see all kind of themes to play with. Move from that. And this is one example of what you will learn by being a partner with Anthony. Um, as you can see, this is very simple to do once you get to understand the different elements and parts that you can use to build this. Now, if you are using mobile, then you can click right here and go to mobile, and then you can change everything up in mobile. See what I'm saying? So if you click right in this element, sorry, can move this down or up. See, can change the size. See what I'm saying? So you can change. So you just come in here and play around till you get to understand everything. And like I said, these are some of the stuff that you partner with Anthony, you will learn to do, and you will learn to do it in the right way. And this is one of the main tools you will learn to use to build your business moving forward. Thank you. And in the next episode, I might go into a little more detail into another tools. If you're interested in partnering with Anthony or ClickFunnel, please click the links below and get started. Thank you. See you then. See you next time. Bye.